tuning in. On this episode of Dan's Garage, Dan will not steer you wrong when he replaces the steering coupler, also known as the ride joint, and the ride tech. Let's see how that goes. Hey Dan, run that intro!
Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. So another problem a lot of these square bodies have is playing the steering wheel. Now, if yours has this, let me show you what it is. Okay, so the good thing about needing to replace this coupler is that there's a bolt up here that you can take out, and then there's a bolt on the steering coupler that you can take out, and this whole center shaft will pop out, and we can bring it on the bench and work on it inside. Alright, as with any other parts that come apart, you want to make sure you mark them so you at least know how they're going back together. Make sure it stays correct. The bottom I can mark when I get it off. So I got the nut off of the top. We'll pull the bolt out. I'll show you these when we get inside. Looks like if I just jiggle it enough, it'll come out. Alright, I was able to get the steering column out, so here's the bad boy that is no good. So we got the new one here. We'll go ahead and show you the difference in new and old. So here you can see the old one. It looks like the old style was a 4-piece design, and the new one is actually one solid piece of rubber. So you can see this one is level and flat. This one is deformed from just years of grease breaking down the rubber and things like that. So again, like everything else, I like to look over it, make sure it all looks the same. I actually think I'm going to test fit this on the shaft of the steering column, or test fit this on the shaft of the steering box to make sure that it's going to fit, and then that's basically where it's going to live, and then we'll go ahead and put this shaft back in. So here's what the new piece looks like in here. It's a little hard to video, so I'd already put it in, obviously. But that's what it looks like while it's in there. And here's what the steering looks like now. So obviously a lot tighter, and it's going to be a lot safer going down the road. I won't have to white knuckle it going down the highway like this, trying to keep it straight. It will be a lot tighter and a lot more responsive. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
Well, that's it for this episode. You can leave comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications when new videos are uploaded.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay positive, keep on wrenching. Dan's Garage is so popular. Spam. Probably could use a little pry bar action, but it's like good exercise. Alright, I got a bigger pry bar. I'm going to try and... Fall is a great time to work on vehicles. That's essentially a slip joint, and that should be slipping, or else it's not living up to its name.